Hey there, welcome to our channel. Imagine stepping into a realm where every corner holds a new adventure, a new story waiting to unfold. This is the essence of ImaginOn, the Joe and Joan Martin Center, a sanctuary of imagination and discovery in the heart of Charlotte, North Carolina. Today, I want to take you on a journey through this extraordinary place, highlighting its features and its profound impact on those who walk through its doors. As we wander through the vibrant spaces of ImaginOn, we witness the spark of discovery in children's eyes. This isn't just any library or theater, it's a place where kids from all backgrounds come together to explore the boundless landscapes of their imaginations. Here, barriers are broken down, and the joy of learning is alive and palpable. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our exciting content. Imagine a timid and reserved child stepping into the Spangler Library for the first time. Surrounded by a sea of books, their initial hesitation leads to curiosity. With each book they pull from the shelf, a new world opens to them, a world of dragons, heroes of distant lands, and deep-sea adventures. In these moments, ImaginOn proves itself to be more than a building, it's a gateway to new possibilities, nurturing a love for reading that will accompany these children throughout their lives. But the magic of ImaginOn extends beyond the written word. It's in the laughter and applause that fill the McCall Family Theater as families gather to watch a beloved story come to life on stage. These performances, crafted with care and delivered with passion, do more than entertain. They connect, remind us of our shared humanity, and teach valuable lessons about empathy, courage, and love. For teenagers, a demographic often caught between childhood and adulthood, ImaginOn offers the loft, a space designed specifically for them.